Let me just walk you through this section. I have them all here because my garden is facing south. Let me zoom out. I opened one of them already. This is my Lobelia, and I'm gonna show you the rest of them shortly. I need to get my tripod. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Style of Living. Today I will give you an update on my winter sowing in spring project. We are actually repotting everything. So I don't know why I'm saying we. It's basically just me. I should be saying I. But thank you so much again for hanging in there and watching my videos. And here we go. Let's start repotting. But let me just show it to you how it looks like now and how big they are. And here we go. My moringa did not grow. I think I made a mistake on how to plant them, but I don't have to open this. See, there you go. Now this, uh, this is my watercress. So, and there's this thing that was inside the pot when I planted them, a lost seed. This is an arugula that just flowered, which I think is amazing. Now I'm trying to figure out how to open this thing, but look at that. That's my watercress. And I have to repot this as well. So I just have to figure out how I'm going to deal with this. I might just pull this out and put it with my flower arrangement. But anyway, there you go. There's my watercress. And I think this is ready to eat. Like what we did with my arugula waste. This is my Craspedia. And this is ready to be repotted. This is my Craspedia. And this is basically planted in, when did I pot this? April 5th. So in a few days, it's going to be a couple of months or 8 weeks. So this is my Craspedia. I'm going to be repotting this. This is my other Craspedia that I potted with you guys in that video on 4/24. So I think this needs more growing, and I'm going to put the cover back because at night it still gets cold. But if we're having, I think we're having a 90-degree weather today. I'm not sure, maybe 85, but I'm going to remove this lid later. It's still a bit chilly because it's still early in the morning. And this is my sunflower that I also potted with you guys in that video that I did, winter sowing in spring. Give you an update. What's going on? Open. Oh, duh. There's my sunflower. There you go. I think this will be ready for repotting soon. So I will be repotting these guys in this bigger pot. This is about a 12-inch pot, and this is a gallon. This was my Zinnia Envy, but I have more pots here. Sorry about that. I have more of these pots that I cleaned, so some of them will be transitioning in this pot, and then eventually it will go in my 12-inch pot, or if I have more of these, I will plant them directly. So this is my Gomphrena, and I planted this on April 5th. So it's gonna be 2 months now. In June 5th, we are now towards the end of May. Today is Sunday, and yeah, in a few days this will be a 2-month-old plant for 8 weeks. So on a 90-degree day, I usually keep the lids open. This already has grown a lot, and I did pinch them back. This is my Queen Lime Zinnia, and I think this is my Zinnia NV, those green zinnias. There's my Gumfrina, and this is my other Craspedia. Right now it's about 50 degrees, so I put the lid back on, but so far these guys are doing fine. It's still early in the morning, so later on we're gonna have a 70-degree weather, so everything will be fine. So you can see in the background, there's my Charlotte strawberries. It's potted, and since I removed the lids, I've been watering them. If I feel that the soil is dry, I've been watering them because they have to be repotted. The Lobelia has been repotted, and this is my Craspedia. So it looks very healthy now. I'm hoping to see some flowers. Probably have to Google how long it takes to flower. Getting a little impatient now, but it will get there. So eventually we will be repotting my Strawflower today, and my sunflower. What I usually do is I mix perlite with my potting soil, potting mix, and I use a little bit of plantain and bone meal when I pot them. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video and you learned something from it. If I forgot to introduce myself, my name is Leah, and if you like this video, please like and please subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Really appreciate it. Peace out, everybody. Happy spring.